you speak of the word love, syempre yung unang naiisip natin as Christian is Jesus himself is love. And for me, siguro ang pagmamahal, it's unconditional, it's selfless, and it's giving everything without expecting nothing in return. I've never had a boyfriend, so hindi pa ako talaga na i-involve with someone, and I've never felt in love with anyone. But I am in love with my family, with my job, and with the friends I have. Kasi when I like someone, I tend to be guarded with my feelings. I tend to protect myself more kasi ayoko mahalata na like ko siya. O mas lalong hindi ko pinapansin, mas lalong kong pinapalata na hindi ako interesado. Hindi nila alam na may type ko sila. So yun, nagiging defense mechanism ko yun. Marami rin nagtatanong sa akin bakit I'm still single, why I'm not interested in getting to know anyone that much. Siguro when I come to think of it, maybe right now since I just turned 22 and I feel like I am just starting a new chapter in my life. And there are so many things that I'm discovering about myself, about the environment around me, and I'm enjoying everything that's happening. So siguro I'll concentrate more on reconnecting myself with the Lord and focusing my time on Him muna. Kasi right now, lalo na yung show business, talagang this world is full of temptation, and if you really will not stick to the Lord, you can just easily be blown away with everything that you see. Hindi naman mataas ang standard ko pagdating sa lalaki. I just want him to be God-fearing, yun, someone who believes in the Lord, who fears the Lord, and as long as we get along well, that's all right with me. I think importante yun na meron kayong common ground, meron kayong isang pinaniniwalaan. That's a very good start sa isang relationship, and especially if someone is Christian, you can always compromise, and you know that you're in a good relationship because the Lord is the center of it. Conservative ako siguro yung pag-uugali ko. Being conservative doesn't really mean that way for me because I'm on television. I can't wear long skirts and long sleeves all the time. I should have a variety. I sometimes wear sexy clothing when it is required. Pero it doesn't mean na when you wear something like that, pwede ka lang mabastos. As long as you know your limitations, na pag suot mo yung ganong klaseng damit, alam mo kung paano kumarte ng tama, you will not be disrespected by other people. Since I am, mahirap magsalita mahirap magsalita right now. Pero if you can preserve that, I think that would be the greatest gift you could give your husband. I'm very thankful because the Lord gave me such wonderful and incredible parents to help me get through everything na napagdadaanan ko. I think importanteng factor yung meron kang magulang na pwede mong takbuhan anytime. And kung sa sarili ko lang, I know I can't do it alone. With the help of the Lord and with these people who pray for me, like yung church ko, yung mga churchmates ko, na naniniwala sa akin, na pinagpe-pray ako, siguro with their help, nasusurpass ko naman yung mga temptation. From my parents and through reading the Bible, I think. And up to now, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. I'm still in the process of learning, and I'm very open kasi with everything that's being fed to me with the pastors, and I think that's very important when you listen, especially to someone na may knowledge about the Lord.